This video is the continuation of physics topic chapter 7 energy management. Today's discussion includes conventional energy sources, energy crisis, non-conventional energy sources, solar energy, wind energy and tidal energy, geothermal energy. We have already discussed about certain sources of energy that have been in use from very early days. They have been in use from very early days are conventional energy sources. Example, fossil fuels, biomass, hydroelectric power, etc. The increase in consumption of energy is many a times greater even for a small increase in population. Therefore, it may lead to energy crisis. Energy crisis is the consequence of increasing demand but decreasing availability. Increasing demand but decreasing availability. So, we will have to find out new resources or non-conventional energy sources. Solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy and nuclear energy, etc. are non-conventional energy sources. Now, let us move on to the topic solar energy. The energy we get from sun includes heat energy and light energy. Some devices that make use of solar energy are solar cell, solar panel, solar water heater and solar cooker. Some devices that make use of solar energy are solar cell, solar panel, solar water heater and solar cooker. Solar cell is a means for converting solar energy into electrical energy. Solar cell converts solar energy into electrical energy. Here, light energy is converted to electrical energy. That is known as photovoltaic effect. The voltage and current obtained from a solar cell is insignificant. Therefore, a large number of solar cells are suitably assembled to form a solar panel. Large number of solar cells are suitably assembled to form a solar panel. Solar panel is used extensively in lighting street lamps. They are also used to meet energy requirement of artificial satellites. Solar panel is particularly useful for remote regions, but one limitation is that it cannot be used at night and cloudy days. In the picture, we can see solar panel installed at Nedumbasheri Airport. Now, we will discuss about solar water heater and solar cooker. These are devices that make direct use of solar heat radiations. Hot water required for hospitals and hotels and for cooking food, washing vessels in houses, etc. can be produced using solar water heater. This is a picture of solar cooker. Picture of solar cooker. The inner side of box is painted in black. The inner side of box is painted in black to absorb maximum amount of solar radiations. The glass sheet, here we can see a glass sheet. The glass sheet helps in trapping the heat radiations. The mirror helps in concentrating light rays into the box. The mirror helps in concentrating light rays into the box. Next, solar thermal power plant. Solar thermal power plant generates electricity using solar energy. Generate electricity using solar energy. Concave reflectors are used to focus the sun rays on the blackened pipes filled with water. As a result, water boils and vaporizes. The steam rotates the steam turbine so that the generator attached to the turbine is activated. About 10 such solar power plants are functioning in India, the majority of which are in Rajasthan. Now we will move on to windmills. Energy from wind. Wind energy is a form of energy that is both environment friendly and renewable. Wind energy is environment friendly and renewable. Electricity is obtained by turning the turbine of generator using wind power. Turning the turbine of the generator using wind power. Here, production of electricity does not incur any recurring expenditure, but it has certain limitations. This can be established only at those places where wind is available for most of the year. Where wind is available for most of the year. We may require storage systems to use electricity when there is no wind. About 2 hectares of land is needed for the production of 1 megawatt power. The expense to establish a windmill is very high. That for repairing it in the event of damages caused by heavy rain, cyclones, heat, etc. is also very high. We can see windmill. Next, tidal energy. There should be a minimum difference of 1 meter between a low tide and high tide to utilize tidal energy. There should be a minimum difference of 1 meter between a low tide and high tide to utilize tidal energy. Tidal energy is not exploited in Kerala since the rise in water due to high tide is less than a meter. Next, energy from waves. We can operate a generator by turning the turbine by using the power of sea waves. We can operate a generator by turning the turbine by using the power of sea waves. Next, geothermal energy. Though the surface of the earth has cooled down, making it habitable, the interior is still in the molten form. Magma, which is at a high temperature, comes out of the core through its softer regions. Magma comes out of the core through its softer regions. Such places are known as hot spots. Underground water at this place receives heat energy from the hot spot and is converted to steam. Underground water at this place receives heat energy from the hot spot and is converted into steam. This steam, which is confined to the region between rocks, is brought out by drilling pipes through the rocks. Using this steam, turbine is rotated to produce electricity. That's all for today's discussion. If you have enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe my channel Simple Physics and click the bell icon for further videos.